apple, and I'm going to show you a quick way to steam some crabs and season.
Let's begin.
Let's begin. First, come in here. Let's show that we do have the crabs here, and they are alive. Yeah, they're still okay. They're kicking. All right, let's go over to the water. Oh, do you hear that? He's talking to me. Okay, here we go. We're going to take the lid off. This is the Harlem way of taking the lid off. And here goes boiling water. Let's put the top down.
Here.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add some seasoning. So we're going to add a little paprika. Do I sprinkle it in? I sprinkle. And you sprinkle it in. You know, sprinkle. You sprinkle it in. The whole thing, you know? The entire thing. And you stir. Get a spoon. No, you don't stir? Yeah, you stir. You stir. Stir. S-T-I-R. Stir. And what do I add now? Hey! I forgot what to add.
Hey, you!
Black pepper. Here it is. Here it is. Black pepper. Hey, look at that. Just a little, right? A little more? Yeah, a little more. Enough? Enough? Okay. And stir. So we'll spin it around. Spin it around. Stir. Okay, we're stirring. Don't tell me, I know the name of it. Wait a minute, it's called... I know...
Red pepper.
Red pepper! Just throw it in there. Red pepper. Damn it, I couldn't think of that name for nothing. I must be getting stupid. Okay, stir. Smell it? Yes, a little bit. Okay. Now, do I let it stir? No. Can I start putting the crabs in now? I think so.
How about some salt, Duke?
So, salt? Yeah. I'm not Duke. I'm Apple. Ooh, I don't want to put too much. You know, just tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. Tell me. Hey. He told me to stop. How freaking time. Now you stir some more. Oh, hey. The best part. Oh, Lord. The best part is the St. Ives. St. Ives? Yeah, St. Ives. You don't drink it, you put it in the food. Now, let me get over here. I don't know what I did. You have to open it. Whoa. Not bad. Whoa. Oh. Now you pour this in here. Did I pour the whole thing? Pour it in. Ooh, look at that. This is really, whoa. It is popping. Oh. What's in this stuff? Malt liquor. Don't forget to put the rest of the... This is stupid. Oh, look at that. Does that remind you of? You wish. Okay. God, I'm getting confused. Let's put the cameraman's impatient. He thinks I'm fucking up. Okay. Let's stir. I hate that word, stir. Here we go. What does it taste like? Oh. That really tastes it. Pepper. Oh, it's hot. Don't ever do that. Don't put that to your mouth. Burn the shit out of you. Okay, I think I know I can put the crabs in. Now, let's go to the crabs. Try to get everything out the way so you don't hurt yourself. Now, I'm going to do it my way with these here forks. Oh, Lord, please don't let it jump on me. I really don't like this. Look, here it goes. Ah, it's gone. This sucks. I feel like I'm... I mean, like, no, I'm going to eat it. I know that. This just doesn't feel right. Cold, like I would want them to put me in a pot. Whoa. You got like I think about a dozen here. They're kicking. I'll say popping. As you can see, I'm placing them in the pot right now. Whoa, do you hear it over here in the sink here? Yay. Okay. Here's another one. Whoa, it's getting slippery. Man, I don't know. Whoa, look at this one here.
So, you have wounded me.
Wow, go get him. Okay. This one ain't too. Nothing. Let me see. Hey, come on. Dun, 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 dun.
You know, you're not a bad dancer.
Oh, I bet you tell that to all the boys.
Is he alive? Oh, he'll be dead now. Oh, baby. Okay, got like one more to go. Oh, God. Sorry. Ugh. I don't think I need this other stuff. Well, it's just a leg. Everything else look kind of grimy, you know?
Cheese! Oh, Larry, cheese! Come on!
It's grimy. I don't think you should eat it. What do you think?
Put the lid on.
Oh, I forgot. There's just too many cooks in this kitchen. I knew I had to put the lid on.
Oh, yes! Right in the hook, all right!
Oh, this is coffee. It's the pepper in my throat. I must have put too much, guys. We let it cook for about 20 minutes, and then we'll be on our way back. See you then. And see? The crabs are done. Ready to eat. They're popping. Alright?